All right, everybody. So this was a fun one. So back out here again, downtown Houston, Texas. Urban fishing again. Check me out. Huh? You see how dirty I am? It's only one thing that makes me that dirty. Keep watching this video. Did you
pulling? You might have dropped it.
Nah, I don't feel anything. Nothing. Is he on? Is he on? Oh, he dropped it. That is a good size buff.
Let's keep it as bait. You want to?
Yeah, man, that's bait.
What time are you planning on leaving?
There we go. Yeah. That is a good sized buffalo. Right there. Just chunking the cast net out here. Downtown Houston, Allen's Landing. In the cast net. So now we got a buffalo. We know there's a monster alligator gar in here, so we're gonna cut this guy up.
Here, yeah.
That's gonna be our gar bait. Yes, sir.
Let's get some fresh bait out there.
Yeah, fresh bait.
We got bait now.
Here we go, guys. We're gonna put out a big buffalo head on a big hook. Let's see if we can't catch some monsters in here. Oh yeah, on this rod, not a problem. There we go. There we go, guys. Oh, yep. We gotta run. This is the first solid run in a minute. Oh, we're gonna let that run. Yep, he's going. There he goes. Ooh, I'm excited, guys. I was just packing up, ready to go. And this happened. Right now, this happened. Yeah, he's running. He's running good. Yeah, looks like he's going towards the middle of that bridge. We're gonna have to get down here on the bank to land him anyways. I'm gonna walk down here. Okay. He's on there. Oh, yep, that's fish on, guys, yep, fish on. There he goes, going that way. Yep, fish on. Oh, yeah, oh, he's going for that far bank. There we go. Downtown Houston, baby. Downtown Houston, woo, stripping it out. Oh, yeah, this is a good fight, I don't think it's a monster. But I think it's probably a 4-footer. Whoa, did you see that? Got some air. Woo, come on, baby. Oh, I think it's a little baby one. Yeah, you don't want to come up now. Come here. Oh, he's fighting me right hard at the end here. Oh, he's fighting me hard. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yes, sir! Come on! Oh, I got him right here. There we go. I'm just gonna drag him up. There we go. That's why you want to steal leaders, guys. Yep, I got him. Come on. Yes, sir. Cut, buffalo! Okay. Woo! Let's see if we can get that hook out. He don't want to give up. He don't want to give up. Feisty going. Yeah, he's feisty. Look at this, guys. Look at this. There's an old hook. Old hook in this fish's mouth. You see that? This right here? That is not my hook. That is someone else's hook right there. Got it out. Look at that. I just pulled that out of this fish's mouth. That is not my hook. Alright, guys. We're gonna go release this baby. There we go. Here we go for the release. Off she goes. Alright, guys. So, that's why we do it. I'm over here, downtown Houston again, urban fishing. My boy Timmy just left, just missed this. I'm packing up my gear, getting ready to go. Bam! I get a hit. Just like that. Oh man. That was awesome, guys. Oh, that was awesome. I know it was a small one. I didn't even measure it, about 4 foot. Especially for this area, that is not big. But just to catch it downtown Houston on a Saturday night, catching monster fish, catching dinosaurs, that is awesome. That's why we do it. It's so addicting. Yeah, if you like that, guys, hit like. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I'm trying to put these videos out at least once a week, and as long as I keep catching them, I'll keep making these videos. Remember, today could be the day, guys. Behind me is this club. I'm sure those people are having a great time. But this behind me, that is my great time. That's where I find my inner peace. That's where I find my happiness. I mean, don't get me wrong, me and Jack Daniels have a long relationship. It's nothing like fighting these fish. Oh, I wish I could share this feeling through the camera with y'all, but best I can do is try to talk about it. And I hope each one of you guys, you know, can find that in yourself. Find that happiness, find that happy place. I love it, y'all. Little urban fishing this weekend really helps reset your mind. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them. I'm getting out of here. It's hot. I'm out of water. I'm completely dirty. But my adrenaline's going. I love it, y'all. I love it. If you haven't already, man, please subscribe. I'm going to keep putting out these videos. Thanks.